Primary memory includes RAM, ROM, USB drive, both A and B. The term computer is derived from which language? Latin, German, French, Arabic. Who is known as the father of the computer? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Seymour Cray, Auguste Ada. What is a light pen? Input device, output device, a kind of pen, none of these. Which device is required for an internet connection? Joystick, modem, CD drive, pen drive. What does ALU stand for? Arithmetic logic unit, array logic unit, application logic unit, none of the above. What does DMA stand for? Distinct memory access, direct memory access, direct module access, direct memory allocation. Which of the following is a storage device? Tape, hard disk, floppy disk, all of the above. What does ASCII stand for? American Stable Code for International Interchange, American Standard Case for Institutional Interchange, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, American Standard Code for Interchange Information. What does FORTRAN stand for? File translation, format translation, formula translation, floppy translation. The output quality of a printer is measured in dots per inch, dots per square inch, dots printed per unit time, all of the above. What does DOS stand for? Disk Operating System, Digital Operating System, Direct Operating System, Data Operating System. Who is the chief of Microsoft? Satya Nadella, Bill Gates, Bill Clinton, none of these. Which of the following are output devices? Monitor, printer, speaker, all of these. Which of the following is also known as the brain of the computer? Control unit, central processing unit, arithmetic and language unit, monitor. What does RAM stand for? Random origin money, random only memory, read any memory, random access memory. Byte is equal to 8 bits, 4 bits, 2 bits, 9 bits.
अगर आप ट्रिपल सी या ओ लेवल के स्टूडेंट हैं तो पेश है आपके लिए आपके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड 1500 प्लस एमसीक्यूज। इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए चैट जीपीटी की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकीड्रॉयड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकीड्रॉयड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।
What does SMPS stand for? Switched mode power supply, start mode power supply, store mode power supply, single mode power supply. What does BIOS stand for? Basic Input Output System. Binary Integrated Operating System. Basic Integrated Operating Software. Binary Input Output System. RAM is an example of secondary memory, primary memory, flash memory, both 1 and 2. Magnetic disk is an example of secondary memory, primary memory, main memory, both A and B. RAM is also known as read-write memory, long memory, permanent memory, real memory. Which one is the odd item out? Operating system, interpreter, compiler, assembler. Which of the following is not a binary number? 001, 101, 202, 110. Which of the following does not store data permanently? ROM, RAM, floppy disk, hard disk. Which of the following represents the smallest storage unit? Megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, all are same. A modem is connected to a telephone line, a keyboard, a printer, a monitor. What is a NIC? Network Interface Card, Network Interference Control, No Internet Connection, New Infrared Controller. What does OCR stand for? Optical Character Recognition, Optimal Character Rendering, Other Character Restoration, none of these. Which technology is used to evaluate aptitude tests? OCR, MIC, OMR, MCR. Which of the following is an impact printer? Laser, inkjet, dot matrix, none of the options. Numbers in base 8 are called octal numbering system, decimal numbering system, hexadecimal numbering system, binary numbering system. The binary number 1110 is equal to which decimal number? 8, 1, 7, 14. Blank is the result produced by a computer. Data, memory, output, input. DVD is based on USB pen technology, magnetic disk technology, media to store video data only, optical disk technology. Which type of font is best suited for displaying large amounts of text? Text font, sans serif font, picture font. The word length of a computer is measured in blank meters, millimeters, bits, inches. The set of processed data is called data, data processing, database, information. A dot on a computer monitor is called a image, dot per inch, pixel, picture. Which of the following has the smallest storage capacity? Floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD. Reusable optical storage typically has the acronym CD, DVD, CD-ROM, RW. Blank is processed by the computer and converted into information. Binary number, information, data, both A and B. Which type of memory is used to store the BIOS on the motherboard? ROM, RAM, cache, none of the above. In an analog computer, input is first converted to digital form. Input is never converted to digital form. Output is displayed in digital form. All of the above. CD-ROM is a semiconductor memory, memory tape, magnetic memory, none of the above. The digital computer was first developed in China, UK, USA, Japan. Programs stored in ROMs, PROMs, and EPROMs are called software, system software, firmware, operating system. A mouse is also known as a pointer, pointing device, output, all of the above. What is the full form of OMR? Open Mark Reader, Optical Mark Recognition, Optical Mark Read, Open Mark Recognition. Who is the inventor of the first mechanical calculator? Charles Babbage, Blaise Pascal, René Descartes, Hermann Hollerith. Which of the following is a valid storage device? CPU, keyboard, pen drive, trackball. Which of the following is an invalid type of memory? RAM, random access memory. ROM, read-only memory. PRAM, programmable read-access-only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. In today's world, most of the computers are digital, hybrid, analog, complex. What is the physical structure of a computer called? Software, hardware, humanware, all of these. Which of the following is currently available in the form of a personal computer? Mainframe, microcomputer, minicomputer, both B and C. Param is an example of supercomputer, PC, laptop, PDA. Which two digits can a computer understand? 9 and 10, 1 and 11, 0 and 1, 1 and 100. What is the full form of USB in computers? Universal Security Block, Universal Serial Bus, Universal Software Barrier, Universal Stage Base. Computer monitor is also known as DVU, VDU, UVD, CCTV. Generally, virtual memory is located in RAM, CPU, flash card, hard drive. O24 bits is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1 megabyte, 128 bytes. None of the above. What is the meaning of PDF? Pure document format, pure document font, portable document format. None of the above. The process of pressing the mouse button twice quickly is known as click, double click, dragging, right click. What is the order of keys from left to right in the first row, alphabets, of the keyboard? POU, ASDFG, QWERTY, ZXCV. What is the typical storage capacity of a standard CD? 500 megabytes, 600 megabytes, 700 megabytes, 800 megabytes. In what form is data stored in a CD, DVD? Analog, digital, A and B, none of the above. How many bits does a computer use to store one character? 1, 4, 8, 16. What is the full form of SMPS? Switched model power supply, switched markup power supply, switched mode power supply, switched modular power supply. Computer IC chips are generally made from chromium, gold, silicon, mercury. The powder used in laser printers to print characters is called hammer, printer head, toner, laser gun. Pentium is related to which part of the computer? DVD, hard disk, microprocessor, mouse. Which of the following is not a component of a computer system? Input device, stepper motor, memory, none of the above. What is a joystick primarily used for? Gaming, weather forecast, word processing, taking printout. CPU consists of ALU plus CU, ROM plus ALU, RAM plus ROM. None of these. Blank is a non-volatile memory. RAM, IRM, ROM, PROM. Which of the following is a valid unit for measuring memory? GB, MB, KB, all of the above. Blank interprets and executes a set of instructions. CPU, VDU, printer, scanner. Which unit controls the operation of the CPU? ALU, RAM, CU, BU. What is meant by a dedicated computer? Used by one person only. Assigned one specific task only. Uses one kind of software. Meant for application software. What does COBOL stand for? Common Business Oriented Language, Computer Business Oriented Language, Common Business Operated Language, Common Business Organized Language. All of the following are storage devices except hard disk drives, printers, floppy disk drives, CD drives. To access the properties of an object, which mouse technique is used? Dragging, dropping, right-clicking, shift-clicking. Which of the following is not a basic function of a computer? Store data, accept input, process data, copy text. Which of the following is not a storage medium? Hard disk, flash drive, DVD, scanner. Who developed the first electronic computer? J.V. Atanasoff, Bill Gates, Seymour Cray, Vinton Cerf. Cathode ray tube is a type of keyboard, mouse, monitor, motherboard. Trackball is a input device, output device, programming language, software. Touchscreen is a input device, output device, both A and B, none of these. Which printer is cheapest in price and operating cost? Inkjet, laser, thermal, dot matrix. Computers that combine both measuring and counting are called analog, digital, hybrid, all of these. What is the full form of UPS? United Parcel Service, Uniform Product Support, Under Power Supply, Uninterrupted Power Supply. On which platforms can LibreOffice software run? On Mac OS, on Linux machine, on Windows system, on Linux, Windows, and Mac systems. If you want to share a document for viewing only, which format should you use? ODT, Docs, PDF, Doc. CD is which type of memory? Magnetic, volatile, optical disc, none of these. Hard disk is which type of memory? Non-volatile, volatile, both volatile and non-volatile, none of these. What does MIDI stand for? Multimedia Instrument Digital Information, Multimedia Instrument Digital Interface, Musical Instrument Digital Interface, Musical Information Digital Information. What is virtual memory? Part of main memory only used for swapping. A technique to allow programs larger than main memory to run. Part of secondary storage used during execution. None of the above. TB, GB, KB are in the order of descending order, ascending order, all are same, none of these. What was used in the first computer? IC chip, vacuum tube, transistor, microprocessor. What is the octal equivalent of binary 111010? 71, 72, 73, none of the above.
इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए ChatGPT की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकीड्रॉयड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकीड्रॉयड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।